In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create business logo on Canva. First, open your web browser and head to Canva. A quick search for Canva will bring it right up. Once the site loads, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your designs and save your progress as you go. On the home page, look for the Create button. Click it to see Canva's design options. From the list, choose Logo. This sets up a square canvas that's perfect for most brand uses and ensures your design scales well across platforms like websites, social media, and packaging. If you already have elements you want to include, like an icon, a sketch, or a previous logo version, go to the Uploads panel on the left, click Upload Files, and select the image from your computer. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto the canvas. Feel free to resize and position it until it feels balanced. Keeping plenty of space around the icon helps your logo look clean and professional. Next, add your brand name or initials. Click Add a text box and start typing. Keep it short and memorable, then fine-tune the typography. Use the toolbar at the top to change the font style, size, and color. Choose a font that reflects your brand's personality. Modern and bold for tech, refined for luxury, friendly for lifestyle. Make sure it's legible at small sizes, since logos often appear tiny on mobile screens. You can also adjust the background. Click anywhere on the canvas background to select it, then open the color options at the top. Scroll through the palette or enter a specific color code if you have brand colors. Aim for strong contrast between the text and the background so your logo pops. If you want a jumpstart on ideas, open the design panel. There, you can describe your ideal logo in a prompt, something like minimal geometric mark with a clean sans serif font in navy and white. Paste your idea and click Generate Design. Canva will create a variety of concepts based on your description. Browse the results and pick a logo that's closest to your vision. If it's not quite right, refine your prompt and generate again until the style and layout match what you're looking for. Once you've chosen a direction, make final tweaks. Adjust spacing, align elements, and confirm colors and fonts are consistent. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and you'll have a logo that's ready to represent your business with confidence.